Good morning, student. I am your teacher Meena. Today I will teach the remaining part of the chapter. Our chapter name is climate. Okay, student. Today we discuss about the our Indian climate. Okay, but our Indian climate is monsoon. Or these monsoon words come from the Arabian language word. Okay, these Arabian language word come from the Arabian traders because these monsoon means to moving winds, or these winds help in the Arabian traders for moving its own directions. So in this way they use these winds like a monsoon. Okay, and now we discuss about the important facts of mechanism of monsoons. ठीक है, the different heating and cooling of land and water. Okay, they represent the monsoons. And now we discuss about the ITCZ, the tropical convergence zone. It is a zone where the low pressure in the equator latitude from the north east and the southeast trade winds converge. Okay, the presence of high pressure area east of Madagascar in instance of heating of Tibet plateau during summer. They are the main aspects or facts of the mechanism of monsoon. Okay, the movement of the westerly jet stream of north of Himalaya and the presence of the tropical easterly jet streams over the Indian peninsula during the summer. These are the main important facts of the mechanisms of monsoons. A part of this change in the pressure condition over the southern ocean and also affect the monsoon. Okay. The periodic change in pressure of condition known as the Southern Oscillation or also SO. SO represents S for Southern, O for Oscillation affect the monsoon too. Illinois is a warm ocean current that flow past of the review coast to the place of the cold current every 2 to 5 year. Illinois is a warm current. Okay, और एसओ क्या है, पीरियोडिक चेंज है प्रेशर का, और दे ऑल द मेन important facts which effect on the monsoon. The onset of the monsoon withdrawal. The monsoon are pulsating winds affected by the different atmospheric conditions encountered by it. Its own way warm tropical seas. Monsoon arrives at the southern tip of the Indian peninsula generally first week of June. Okay, do you know, you read about it, the outcome या coming of monsoon starting from the June, or they come from the peninsula area first week of the June and southern tip. Sudden increase and continuation of the monsoon for several days is called the burst. Okay, the burst represent the sudden increase and continuous monsoon is called the burst. The Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal branch of the monsoon merge over the northwestern part of the Ganga plains. The withdrawal or the retreat of the monsoon is a more gradual process, is being the northern west state of India by the early September. The treating monsoon or transition season sees change from hot rainy season to dry winter condition. Okay, they are all the onset monsoon withdrawal. Okay, after that the low pressure condition over North India get transferred to the Bay of Bengal by the November, causing the cyclonic depression or originating over Andaman Sea. And now we discuss of the distribution of rainfall, where everywhere we discuss about the distribution of rainfall on owing of the nature of monsoon. The annual rainfall is highly variable from one to year. Okay, they are the highly variable change होती है year to year. Okay, area of high rainfall are liable to be affected by the floods, while area of low rainfall are affected by the droughts. Okay, low rain represent लो रेन से क्या होगा, वहाँ पे सूखा होगा, ड्रॉट पड़ेगा, और जहाँ पे हाई रेनफॉल होगा वहाँ पे फ्लड्स आएंगी, बाढ़ आएंगी. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, द सीजन नाउ डिस्कस हाउ मैनी सीजन इन आवर कंट्री. इट्स मेनली 4. okay, 4 main season can be identified in the India. This cold weather season is winter, the hot weather season is summer, and the advancing monsoon and the retreating monsoon with some regional variations. In the cold weather season, the northeast trades winds prevail over India. Days are warm, night are cold. Forest is a common in the north. The higher slopes of the Himalaya experience snow. Okay student, sometime कोल्ड वेदर में क्या होता है? इन द कोल्ड वेदर सीजन नॉर्थ ईस्ट ट्रेड विंड्स प्रिवेल टू ओवर इंडिया. ओके, डेज आर वार्म, दिन कैसे होते हैं? गर्म. नाइट आर कोल्ड. Forest in the common northwest and the high slopes of Himalaya experience snowfall. The summer months experience the rising temperature and falling in the pressure of air northern parts of the country. In summer में हम we belong to the northern side. आपको पता है समर में टेम्परेचर हाई हो जाता है और एयर प्रेशर वहाँ पे क्या होता है? द फॉलिंग कम हो जाता है. Strike of feature of the hot weather season, the strong, dusty, hot, dry winds blowing during the day of the north and the western called be loo. Okay, समर में कौन सी विंड मूव करती है जो उसे बोलते हैं लू. आपने इसके बारे में भी पढ़ा है अच्छे से. ओके. By the beginning of October, the monsoon withdraw from the northern place. The condition of high temperature and humidity weather become rather progressive during the day is called the October heat. Rainfall India range from the 400 centimeter western coastal India to 60 centimeter western Rajasthan adjoining of area. Now the ending point of the chapter, monsoon as a unifying bond. The dependence of farmer on rain, a change of seasonal cycle, variation in temperature, the needs of humans, plants, animals, festival dates, it's also depend upon the monsoon in India. This way monsoon is a unifying bond of इंडिया. ओके स्टूडेंट, मानसून के अकॉर्डिंग क्या होती है? एक तो बारिश डिपेंड करती है, वहाँ के मानसून के वजह से वेरिएशन टेम्परेचर चेंज होता है, हमारे सीज़न चेंज होते हैं. सीज़न चेंज होने के साथ जैसे विंटर में हमारी क्या होती है? फेस्टिवल में सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट फेस्टिवल इज़ आवर दीपावली, वो आती है. तो सब कुछ चेंज होता है. दे ऑल कम विद द मानसून. ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ यू डन योर टेक्स्ट बुक क्वेश्चंस. आप अब इसको अपने PT2 के लिए रेडी कीजिए, उसको लर्न कीजिए और जितने भी नोट्स को मेमोराइज कीजिए और अपने टेक्सचुअल क्वेश्चन को कंप्लीट कीजिए. ओके बच्चे, टेक केयर.